If you want to clean up your Telegram and delete all Telegram chats at once, this video will walk you through the process in a simple and safe way. Whether you're clearing out old conversations, removing clutter, or just starting fresh, Telegram gives you a few quick options to delete chat history from a conversation. Before we begin, just keep in mind that deleting chats can be permanent. So always double check what you're removing before you confirm anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram and go to the chat that you want to delete. You can do this from your main chat list by tapping the conversation you want to remove. Once the chat is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dot icon. This opens the menu with more options for that conversation. From the menu, tap Clear History. This is the option that lets you remove the messages inside the chat. After that, Telegram will ask you how you want to delete the messages. Here, you can choose whether you want to remove them for everyone, depending on the type of chat and the options available. If you select that option, the messages may also disappear for the other person or people in the conversation, not just from your device. So take a moment to review that choice carefully. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and tap Delete to confirm. Telegram will then clear the chat history based on the option you picked. And just like that, your conversation is removed and your chat history is cleaned up. If you want to repeat this for more chats, you can do the same steps for each conversation you want to clear. So again, open Telegram, go to the chat, tap the three dot icon, select Clear History, choose whether to remove for everyone, and then tap Delete. It only takes a few taps and it's a great way to keep your Telegram organized. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.